Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to attach your lip glosses to keychains. And if you're interested, keep watching. I hope you enjoy the video. See you.
No stranger to pain. It's never ending. It's only something I can't forget. My heart won't let it rest, but you keep on forgiving. Admit that I'm afraid. If I let go of this pain, am I completely betrayed? There's no air left to breathe. I'm drowning. Vultures are circling me. Around it, I need to fight. I know it's just so hard to let it go. Shine a light I can see. Something I can't forget. My heart won't let it rest, but you keep on forgiving. Admit that I'm afraid. If I let go of this rage, am I completely betrayed? Something I can't forget. My heart won't let it rest, but you keep on forgiving. Oh, admit that I'm afraid. If I let go of this rage, am I completely betrayed? My heart, my love, my life, the price. It's hard to fight, goodbye. Shine a light I can see.
Do you have a moment? And this very second, I know you feel the beat. Do you feel the rhythm all the way? this world will be okay. Can we be together